What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Vlizzo. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to code your angel lights to become brighter on your BMW. All right. I had gotten a comment. I forgot the guy's name, but he was asking, how do I make my angel lights brighter? Right. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's get into it. All right. So starting off, you're going to need a couple of things, right? You're going to want to purchase one of these. It's the iCar OBD Professional Solution, and what this is that it's a wireless OBD scanner that you could plug into your OBD port, which is located down below, down there by the footwell, and that's going to allow you to connect your car to your phone. That way you can open up the app and you'll be straight. And this is what it's going to look like, right? So you got the wireless OBD scanner right here. This goes into your OBD port, and you got a small little power button right there. There are different versions of this, but I'm gonna throw a link up in the description on which one I purchased. I got this on Amazon for about $20, but there is, you wanna make sure that you get it for the right car, because they do have it for this model year, which is a 2015 and up. And I know for the older BMWs, it's gonna be a little bit different. So you just wanna make sure that you check your OBD scanner first, the port, you want to check that first, and then you just want to compare it on Amazon before you purchase the actual one that I purchased, all right? Secondly, you're going to want to download, so you're going to want to purchase this app right here. It's called Bimmercode. This is going to run you $30 in either the Android marketplace or on the Apple App Store, all right? Always good to have, because you can unlock all of the hidden features in your car and you'll be straight. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to take your OBD scanner and you want to plug it into the OBD port down below. Sometimes it's hard to find. If you need to, get out the car and just go underneath and look. And then next, what you want to do, you want to go into your settings, then you're going to go into Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it already connected. You're going to want to connect to the V-Link right here, and then once you do that, you're going to go into Bimmercode, which is right here, and then you're going to want to press well, before you do that, right, you're going to go, so these are all the different connections you could do for the car. We are the V-Gate iCar right here, but these are just different options that you have. All right, so make sure you're set on the right one. Hold on, restore full version. Yeah, so make sure you're on the right one. Then what you want to do is you're going to connect to the car. So these are all the different cars you could code. Now, here's a disclaimer, right? Not every car is going to have the same options when you code the car. For example, let's say if you don't have the power folding mirrors, obviously the option is not going to be in Bimmercode. Bimmercode, they go by the VIN of your car, and it could automatically tell what options you can code and what options you can't code. So some people will be able to do this, some people won't be able to do this, but usually on the newer cars they allow you to do this. Change your angel eyes, make it brighter. But anyway, these are the different cars you could code. As you can see, you got a 1 series, 2 series, the 3 series, 4 series, 6, all the way down. Even the i8 you could code. So if you guys got an i8 and you want to change some things in it, you can do that as well. But right now we're going to focus on the 5 series right here, and it even shows the different years. So the F07, the F10, F11, F18, and anything from 2010 pretty much. So we're gonna press code. So right now it's connecting to the car. So right now it's just pretty much just reading the computer. I would recommend though, if you guys are coding a lot of stuff in your car, you can code it with the car on, but I wouldn't do that just because of something might happen or whatever. But if you guys are gonna code a lot of stuff at once, make sure you just make sure you connect your car to a trickle charger or a battery tender, something like that. I'm trying to get this camera to focus, it's acting up on me. Yeah, so make sure you connect it to a trickle charger or something like that, and you could code like a whole bunch of stuff at once. Not at once, but within the time that you're coding the car. All right, so now that we're in, these are all the different sections of stuff that I can code. But since we're only doing the Angel Eyes today, we're gonna focus on that, which is, you guys wanna go into footwell module, all right? Once you're in the footwell module, you're gonna wanna focus on two things, where it says Angel Eyes right here, Angel Eyes brightness low beam, you wanna press that. I made mine 100%, but you could change it up. If you want it dimmer, you can make it dimmer. If you want it brighter, you can make it brighter. And then the next thing you want to look at is your daytime running lights. As you can see right there, you want to go into this one right here. Now, I think when I coded my car from before, right? I think the car factory, I think it was on 30% brightness. But as obviously I turned mine all the way up. So yeah, this is the menu that you want to be in when you want to change your Angel Eye brightness. Now this is for your daytime running light. So this means when your car is just, when you just start your car and it's daytime and you don't have your headlights on or any of that, it's just the ring that's going to show the brightness. So you just want to press 100%, right? You want to press back. Since I already have mine coded, it's not going to allow me to do it. But once you do that, you just want to, in the top right corner, you just want to press code. It's going to give you a couple of warnings, and then you just want to press OK, and then the car is going to start coding your lights. All right. These are all just different options you could code. But yeah, so that's the main thing you want to focus on. It's just your Angel Eyes right up here, and also your daytime running lights, which is located right here. And this is in your footwell module section in your app. And then when you're done, all you want to do is just head back, press disconnect, and then you're out of the app. And then you just want to disconnect this, and then you're good to go. If your car was off before, just turn it on, see how the car looks. You could do a before and after of the of your Angel Eyes. That way you guys can see the difference. If you guys don't like it, you could also change it, make it a little bit dimmer, put it on how you guys want to put it, and you're good to go. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.